guys, it is day 3 in Oman and it is 100. I think it's 110 degrees, very hot. But these are the only baggy clothes I have. And this is a very, very strict Muslim country. So this is my outfit today. Like all of my clothes I can't wear because all the women here are just completely head to toe covered. And I had my arms out yesterday and that even was a big deal. So I found the baggiest hoodie I could find. I wanted to wear this shirt today. I think it's so cute, but it's like too risky having my chest out here, and the arms was way too much. So yeah, I have to put away all of my skimpy clothes because I'm heading out to the Avenues Mall. I still want to look for some more perfumes. I got 3 yesterday. I'm gonna look for some more because I'm getting them for people. A lot of people asked me to pick up some perfumes for them, like my friends and my boyfriend's family and everything like that. So I'm picking up more perfumes today. And so yesterday I went to Oman Mall and today I'm going to the Avenues Mall. They're so sweet. The hotel brought me some chocolates this morning. I was like, for no reason, I'm like, sure, there was like a date cake I took, but chocolate I'm not gonna eat. We're at the mall, you guys. This is Avenues. Check it out. Check it out. Let's see what this mall is all about. Look at that subway. Nice. Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Bye. I got some rose tea and they put this so that you know when to pour. When these run out, it's time for me to pour. You guys, inside the mall, they have prayer rooms. I got a little something. I got a little shawl dress thing. I think it should work nice here. I bought this when I was out. How cute is it? Isn't this cute? I love it. I'm gonna sit outside and get some work done outdoors, but I'm obsessed. It's so cute. Even open. I'm gonna go outside. I love it. Super cute. I needed something flowy. I needed to look like the rest of the girls here because I was not gonna be sporting that hoodie every day. Yeah, this is adorable. I love it. Oh, and I got a new ring. I got this is pure 22 karat gold and it's the national flower of Oman. Is it not gorgeous? You guys, I am out at the pool. How gorgeous. This is a private beach. I got myself a passion fruit lemonade, I guess. I'm going back in. I can't. I tried to tough it out. I tried to. I'm heading back into a hotel. I'm gonna eat in my room. I stayed out here about 40 minutes. You guys, I just ordered the local delicacy Omani lobster. I can't wait to eat. I'm gonna eat indoors, actually, inside of my room. You guys, today is work day. I am not going anywhere. I'm staying in the hotel. I have so much work to do. I've got to work on my website. I've got to plan, so I'm planning here. I'm doing inventory. I'm planning my trip back to China. I'm going to China to purchase more of the Yao rice water products. So I'm just writing down all the product I need to buy. So when I get back to China, it could be quick and I could just get the products and go. I'm planning some more of my travels. I am writing some of my book. Like I said, I'm working on my website. So today we are going nowhere. I'm in sweats. I've got a hotel today. So I just ordered room service. I've been ordering this every day. This is a delicious tuna salad. This is made with the Omani tuna, which is so good, you guys. Look how gorgeous. And look how good that tuna looks. This is not that crappy tuna. This is the good tuna freshly caught here at the sea. It also has sardines. And can you see the salad? Oh, let me put it this way. But yeah, I've been ordering this literally every day. It's so freaking good, this salad, especially that tuna. So I got that. I also got soup, which is in here. Oh, I think the soup is in here. And I pour it in. Wait a minute. Yeah, I need to pour it into, it's hard to do with one. Okay, yeah, here it is. This is a very hot plate, yeah. And then I just pour my soup in here. This is lentil soup. It's so good. Lentil soup is always good in the Middle East. Delish. Put the lime on top. The crackers. And then the lime. This is hard to do with one hand. Yummers. So that's my food for the day. Yeah, this. Look at the gorgeous skyline. I'm thinking maybe I should sit out there because it just got a little bit cooler. I'm about to take a bath. The hotel gave me these bath salts, so I'm gonna put them in the bath, darling. I guess, I don't know how much. I guess that's enough. I'm excited. I just came from the gym. I'm really, really tired, so this bath is gonna feel amazing. And I'm gonna use this body scrub, one of my faves. And this face wash. And I'm gonna put a rice water treatment in my hair. I'm gonna use a rice water treatment and sleep in it. It's gonna be a good bath. I'm very excited for this bath. I'm gonna put this face mask on as well. Got this face mask I'll put on while I'm in the bath. Yummers. I want to show you the view from this balcony in the hotel. Isn't it gorgeous, you guys? This hotel is beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Here you go. Thank you. Thank you.
Safe
Thank
flight.
you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Okay, you guys, the Oman airport is beautiful. You guys, look. They have all the frankincense stuff here. Like frankincense oil, which is like the #1. And they've got a sleep balm, night balm repair, soften your feet while you sleep. Before you sleep, spread the generous amount. Night balm. Frankincense night balm. Oman. Magnets. Need a water. We got palm trees in here. I think my gate's right here. Look at that one. You guys, I'm about to board my flight to Dubai. I'm very happy to get home. Lots of stuff to do when I get home, so I'm very excited. The flight is very quick, about 40 minutes, so we board in about an hour. Very excited to get home. Very, 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 very. I loved Oman though. It was a vibe. I'll come back when it's a little less hot, but it's a vibe. It was relaxing. I just spent my whole day yesterday relaxing on the beach and eating delicious seafood. So yeah, my flight boards in about 30 minutes. And we'll be home. I also have to go to the Apple store. I have to get a new iPad. I lost my freaking iPad, and I literally run my life on my iPad. So I gotta go get a new iPad, and we'll see what else. I gotta put some chapstick on because my lips are chapped. Darling. The lips are chapped. This is my travel bag, by the way. It's cute, right? Long chap. It's very big because I squatter toilet. Key to not breaking out on flights.
So 20,000 feet. It's pretty clear on the flyover, so it should be on the way back as well.
This is a very empty flight. I have the whole row to myself. The whole back section is open. Guys, there's stars on the roof. We've got some water, some cake, I will not be eating that, some yogurt. racing, you guys, to see Despicable Me. Because the next one comes on at 2:55. I've got 30 minutes. No, I've got 20 minutes to catch the movie. I should be good though. Got my ticket.
Anyway, you remember my girlfriend, Valentina? She was captain of the Femme Fatale Kill Squad and the most